Hello everyone, I'm Mike Brodowski. I'm the Assistant Director of Intramural Sports and Recreation Programs for the Student Recreation Center. Just a fancy way of saying that I oversee intramural sports in our climbing wall. The Broncos ledge climbing wall is the newest addition to the Student Recreation Center. We renovated the old wall last summer in 2019, and now we reopened it in this past fall. With it, we saw a resurgence on people coming to the wall to climb, to get new heights, get a new challenge, all that good stuff. We now have 3 auto belay stations along with 3 top rope stations and our bouldering wall with it as well. So come check it out Monday through Friday, and we'll help you climb to new heights and get a great workout in. Go Broncos!
Hi everybody, this is Colin.
And I'm Reed. We're both here with the climbing wall staff.
We're just here to tell you a little bit about the wall and why we love it so much. So a great reason to come to the wall is it's a fantastic community. You can make a bunch of friends, and it's a great place to work out.
I spent all of 2016 hanging out at the rock wall, not really doing anything besides climbing, and I'm like, well, I might as well get paid to work here and meet people. And then through working there, I met one of my better friends, Chris. I've been able to build on the foundation and get better as a climber, and just through you can set your own, when I work there, I can set my own problems to develop my own weaknesses and just be a better all-around athlete in the thing that I love to do, which is climbing.
Some skills I have gained while working at the climbing wall would definitely have to be responsibility and leadership. When I'm belaying someone who's on the wall climbing, it is my sole focus to make sure that I'm doing my job to belay correctly so that the patron is safe and having fun. When you're working at the wall, it's your duty to make sure that everyone at the wall is safe. So it makes you want to work that much harder, pay that much more attention, be that much more responsible. So that sense of responsibility and leadership really grows on you while you're working at the climbing wall.
Also, at the climbing wall, you can join the WMU Climbing Club run by yours personally and truly. It's a great experience to get out in nature and experience things in a new and exciting and fun way, and it's a great way to stay fit, so make sure you check out the climbing wall.